tiny acorn holds a secret. Its destiny is to grow into a big oak tree. It will never grow into a rose. This secret is hidden deep inside the seed. In there is a very small but very detailed instruction manual. DNA. This manual has all the steps written down. For example, the roots must grow downward. It dictates what shape the leaves must be and how tall the trunk must grow. The little acorn will grow step by step. It follows this instruction manual. It was designed to only grow into an oak tree. That is its destiny.